In all regions of the world, you can find a complete exhaust system and emission solution developed by DINEX. Quality comes first in DINEX. Manufacturing and products are delivered where and when our customers need it. Technologies are developed in-house and tested in the most sophisticated center in the world. That makes DINEX a trusted and reliable partner of the OEM industry globally. Since 1982, DINEX has grown to be a leading OEM supplier of exhaust and emission systems for the heavy-duty industry. We service both global and local customers in the truck, bus, construction, agricultural and power generation industry, wherever their manufacturing platforms may be located, and act as both a logistic and development partner. Through a global exhaust and emission in-house network of experts, our engineers are developing and testing our own core technologies in-house. Our engineers are specialized in either components or systems capabilities, enabling DINEX to be best in class on different dimensions. First and foremost, our aim is to bring cost-efficient, well-functioning technologies to the market as a complete package to the benefit of our customers. The technology approach for the next emission generation shows encouraging results. Through advanced game-changing technology, DINEX has developed the Emanizer technology platform. With this compact solution, we have reduced size, weight and cost of the system for future generations of after-treatment systems. The Emanizer concept is based on the integration of a major part of the SCR functionality into the diesel particulate filter to reduce overall catalyst volume and improve thermal management of the SCR functionality. As the only supplier in the world, DINEX produces complete systems through a global and scalable production setup. Production methods and capabilities are well established within DINEX, with many years of experience with servicing both the on- and off-road OEM industries globally. DINEX produce own core technologies including substrates and coating. Modern emission technologies have tremendous environmental impact, removing up to 100% of all pollutionous particles from the exhaust, protecting our future. DINEX productions are split into high and low volume facilities to fully match the customer demands, using only approved quality materials. On-time delivery is vital for our customers' success, and shift in demands and product requires close partnership with the OEM industry. Offering customers a one-stop partnership with delivery of a complete solution makes DINEX the preferred partner now and in the future. With more than 20 companies and 1,500 devoted people, we service our customers every day. DINEX's unique technology, competence and global scalable manufacturing footprint makes us a reliable and preferred partner to the OEM industry.